In this video, I'll show you how to write copy for your WooCommerce website faster than ever using Breakdance AI. To get Breakdance AI, you first need to visit breakdance.com.
And here I can get the single site license for the AI plugin, which is going to help us populate our website with custom copy for our business without having to handwrite everything. So we'll grab the single website license for that.
And then we can go over to our WordPress site, go to the plugins page, and install Breakdance AI.
So we'll click Add Plugin, Upload Plugin, and then choose Breakdance AI, and go ahead and click Install Now. Activate that, and then we'll want to go back to Breakdance, Settings, and under AI Assistant, we can go ahead and drop in our license key for that plugin. Now to use this, we're also going to need an OpenAI API key, which you can get from openai.com. You want to click Login and choose API Platform. Once you're logged in, you need to go ahead and find your API keys. If you click Dashboard here, this is going to take you to the area where you can find those. And on the left-hand side, you can see API keys. I'm going to go ahead and create a new secret key. We'll call this Excite Boom, and then click Create Secret Key. Then you just need to copy the key and then go back over to your website here under Breakdance Settings AI Assistant and drop in your OpenAI API key and then choose which model you want it to use. I'm going to choose GPT-4o Mini. And then go ahead and save those changes.
Now that our Breakdance AI plugin and API keys are all set up, we can go into Breakdance and start having it write content for us. But once we're in Breakdance,
one thing we need to do is set up our business information in Breakdance AI. So we click the AI icon up here in the top bar and then go to Settings. It already has our business name, but we do need to describe our business. We can also put some of those characteristics we want in the qualifiers area, like fun, funny, irreverent, witty. Now let's add a macro just for use on this site. We'll call the macro make it spicy. And the prompt should turn the following text into a witty, funny, short, and memorable blurb. So now that we have that macro, we can actually use it on any text we have. So Breakdance AI understands our business a little bit more. We could also put some details in here like the products we offer, but we shouldn't need that for now.
With our business details defined, Breakdance AI knows how to write copy for our specific store. I'm going to jump over to my shop page template where I have some copy I need to change.
Let's just use Breakdance AI to do that. This section is at the top of our shop page. Use short, punchy, witty language to entice users to view our offerings. Now, because Breakdance AI has all the context of our business description here, it should go ahead and nail that for us. So we'll just click rewrite this whole section, and it switched it to ignite your taste buds, explore our dangerously spicy hot sauces. This is all perfectly on brand for the site that we're building.
That worked great and saved me a bunch of time. But we can actually rewrite more complex sections, including the text for all of the sub-elements within that section, not just headings and individual text elements. Let me show you what I mean with a section that has some text elements as well as some icon boxes in it, where I want to rewrite everything with one prompt.
So we'll say, describe key features of our products and our brand. And let's go ahead and just try it with that and see if we need to workshop it anymore. As you can see, it's coming in with text that I personally like that kind of describe our brand vibe. Now, I just want to change the icons on each of these, and then we'll just want to review all the text and tweak it where we want to. But the next little area is this part of the section, why choose Excite Boom. We don't necessarily want this to be for that purpose. I'd like to actually showcase our product categories here. So let's say browse by category. And then let's tell AI to rewrite this. Make this entice people to view our product categories. Merch, sauces, and ingredients. And we'll go ahead and have that rewrite it. And we'll insert that. Now that's a bit much, so let's try out our new macro here, which is make it spicy. Let's insert that. And then let's shorten it as well. And insert. Now I like this overall, but I want to get rid of this last line just to keep it to 3 lines. And for this, we'll say explore all products, and that will link to shop.
Now I've rewritten all the copy on my WooCommerce site that needed tweaked, and it only took me a few minutes and a couple of prompts. As you can see, Breakdance AI will save you a ton of time writing copy, whether you're building a WooCommerce shop or any other type of WordPress website.